Everyone says my city is beautiful. But what if I told you there are many better ways to describe a city? Let's learn how to describe a city like a native speaker. When you describe a city, don't just say it's beautiful. Try talking about where it is, how big it is, what the vibe is, and what you can do there.
Here are some adjectives to describe a city. Beautiful, stunning, breathtaking, vibrant, bustling, picturesque, lively, modern, historic.
Instead of just saying beautiful, you can say, Jakarta is a vibrant and bustling city. Or, Manila is a historic and picturesque place.
New York is a vibrant city. New Delhi is a stunning city. London is a lively city.
My city is a vibrant place with friendly people and great food. It's modern, crowded, but also exciting. Now your English sounds much more natural. Describe your city in 3 adjectives in the comments.
Don't just say beautiful. Surprise me.
Subscribe for more English tips.